Well, juniors and adults need a different approach to their classroom time for many reasons. But one of the main reasons is the type of learners that juniors are and the type of learners that adults are. What we can see is that through using our tools, we can ensure that our juniors have lessons that are creative, are full of movement, and adults have a more professional and assertive approach. Well, if we as teachers get the mindset wrong, it can affect us in many different ways. We can lose confidence, we can feel that we're unprepared, we can feel like we are creating barriers, we can feel that we are frustrating our students, and we ourselves will become frustrated with that because that's not what we want to do. So in order to make sure we get the right mindset, what we have to do is use the tools from this masterclass.